like one people your house burn down and be rubbish under your cellar. I never know blood clot people still have cellar modern days. Talk to me nice. My nice na blood clot and at that time of day. Everything what do you do? I put on 29 piece. I put on my little 29 piece with my little cute face. She go sit little in her little 29 piece and borrow the girl blood clot. What the blood clot you do with a little 29 piece for Olivia gear? You eat blood clot Olivia. You eat blood clot Olivia through your fuck JSO. Your blood clot set up your friend ugly dog mouth Chinese with JSO, right? You see my girl, I look at 15 bills, I look at 2 grand. Yeah, red. Yeah, right, red, you bad man, you go fuck the man. And what do you look at, girl? And then I tell the man, say, you know what, him and Shanice for because you want him for yourself. And what do you? And what getting at you? And what getting at you for you know, say, you're the twin did there. And him dead, I saw you think that twin did not dead? For make him lie down and fuck you, the boy tell me, say, the way him can't believe him and fuck him, he lie down and skin out and him have to say, Shani, turn around and give me a backers. The way the man near tremble, him can't believe him and fuck him dead brother woman. And what do you little girl? No, sir, me up top, boss. Move on a blood clot, my nice. All you can do is chat behind me, but I guess you can't face me. You can't face me. You can't face me. You can't face me. You can't face me, cuteness. Yeah. You got me boy past Facebook, boy, me Mario Louis. I Mario whatever. Boom bang bang. Boom bang bang. When I take a check, here on a man, me have a nice to come and I just say, alright, bring him in now. When me look, the boy clean everything tricker, the boy named Mario, and the boy done fuck her. What is them little girl yeah? Boom bang bang now. She have the look, honest little boy. What work over Bellevue? Yes. She have a little man over Bellevue. Keep a little man now. You got boom bang bang, you got fuck the DJ. We both skin sore like dog. Fast I kill him. Alright, that done. Blood clot. Boom bang bang your ear say she breed. Who is the father? One of us stop give man jacket a modern blood clot time, you know. Jacket now wear a full suit a wear. And what do you know? What man do you know, man germs? Man chink. What man do you know? Man not tell you see for me and you. My dog come on for the rest of the year. My hide. Me hide your mother come trick you what you about. But when you are going with belly and a China time, you got dash it away. What do you baby killer? You can't stop kill pit me. You tell me in a minute you say, I know your brother after dash it away. I'ma say, Shani, mine you dead, you know, girl. Mine you dead. It's sad. You grudge me to the life of my live. I better live in my say. Move your ugly tough man body blood clot. I live by myself and I eat a kilo and I'm going with style. I'm going with style. It's no board. No dead left no in here. A big queen size bed I have. Queen size. Queen size. I'm a nice skin just how I kill a crowd. I beg cash I go buy. Cash. I never own down none. See my side table there? See my side table there? And guess what? No man never fuck me and give me. No man never shoot me and say yeah. I have a side table for you because me no blood clot go. But look good. So man have to want me and cry over me a bed. And my fault. And you miss me and I am mad. I miss me. That's how you torment. You're up, down, up, down, up, down. You go add up my friend now. Like and share, like and blood clot. Share a melly quick notice to a mad blood clot. Blackberry shan. And me your blood clot. Best of you. Me and mad your dirty girl. You're ugly in blood clot and tough and favor man gerbs. Looking at my nice clean blood clot. Also come to bed big and comfortable in a blood clot. In my house clean and nice a blood clot. You're 24-year-old girl. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. Me are good as I know that. No boy can blood clot trick me and fuck me. Never come little and nice and cute the blood clot like that time they watch ya. No stretch man. No bossy back. Me clean and that's a kill you. Abe. Move your blood clot and me and Mario. Yeah, your idol. Anything we do you follow back and me no follow back. You have to follow back on me. You have to follow back. You can't talk about me, baby girl. You can't talk about me. Give me a sip. I'm thirsty. Ready back. Shani, Shane, Shane, your blood clot, kill Eastern, Kingston. Every day I write up and say, I love him, you see? I love Jagan, and guess what? You end up and fuck the brother, and him breed the blood clot last. Jagan breed the last year, and Jesse breed that year, and get 9 grand for that shot. You can't talk to good, nice, clean blood clot. Pretty, Melissa. I can't up you because I'm a band blood clot, pretty, I'm a band, so that's how much. Everything I do, you follow. Every blood clot thing I do, you follow. I move your blood clot. Anybody where I walk with China and watch our clinic, she will fuck on the man. Just like how your blood clot for Birdie. Move your blood clot. What do you want Birdie come on? I say, Shani, you know, say Birdie, I look me. You're taking blood clotting. I say, no, I'm not blood clot at the man thing. Oh, me. You're not in a blood clot. Mix up, go on with me down your ears. Really? I don't go blood clot. Fucking down a blood clot. Green fence. You're a dog. You're a dog shit. Move your blood clot and go, and when Zola come to me, I say, Shani, you know, say Zola come to me. Here you know, Melissa don't talk. I say, I'm not blood clot talk. Shani, use a dog shit. Use a word. I don't know what to say about you, man dog, man germs, man chink. You can't talk to good as me a star. You know, see? And me say, see it, man, everything my blood clot, you follow. Move your blood clot in my house nice and clean. And that's a blood clot, man. In your clean. Lick neat and clean. Awa. And my fault. Move your blood clot. Cause what day when me was blood clot from my carry up, I don't know road and say, yeah, you know, say me and the boy up here so you say talk. As you go up there, see the boy them blood clot. I forget a man up here. Shoot fuck out your blood clot. For one sheet apply. I saw the people them a beat down the place. The people them beat down the blood clot place like in my house nice and clean and that's a blood clot. Me at 24 on my floor tile. Me now walk on board. Me can't run up and down. Me can't run up and down. Me can't do a blood clotting cause me bed comfortable.
It come back.
Move your blood clot. Me la Mario. Ooh yeah. Look here. Bed big. Bed nice. Me can't roll. Me can't roll. Me can't roll. See ya? See ya? You favor the monkey. See ya? See ya, Shani? See ya? See ya? Monkey. 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 Dopey. Shani. You look like my foot bottom. You look bad. You can't walk in a piece, you fuck everybody, man. Everybody you fuck. And what do you look all? From a see a man take out a call, let's say, yes, he have money. Him trick you for Facebook. Listen to me, I just want to say, listen to me. Facebook, we are work up at, what the road name? What the road in it? Portland Road, right? We are working on one local bar. Me do the week and she do the blood clot week, yeah. Alright, what they there? Yeah. One little old man coming at the bar, you know. She hears say the girl on here, me come on, you know. She hears say the girl on here, me can look up, boopsie. What the girl a yam out straight. But she's a look furniture, man. Hear her to me mail. You know, same I build my 2 bedside table, bam boom. She go fuck the man. What the bedside table there? You have a bed? You have be a dead left, be a blood clot dead left, you full up. You have nothing? If me run toward in your house, me sink. A board ground a day again. And what do you know? If me like one people in your house burn down, I be rubbish under your cellar. Me never know blood clot people still have cellar modern days. Talk to me nice. Me nice na blood clot and at that time of day. Everything me do you do, me put on 29 piece. Me put on me look 29 piece with me look cute face. She go sit little in her look 29 piece and borrow the girl blood clot. What the blood clot you do little 29 piece so Olivia girl? You eat blood clot Olivia. You eat blood clot Olivia through your fuck Jesu. Your blood clot set up your friend ugly dog mouth Chinese with Jesu, right? You see my girl, I look 15 bills, I look 2 grand. Yeah, red. Yeah, right, red, you bad man, you go fuck the man. And what do you look, girl? And then I tell the man, say, you don't want him and Shanice for you want him for yourself. And what do you? And what getting at you? And what getting at you for you know, say, you're the twin did there. And him dead, I saw you think that twin did not dead? For make him lie down and fuck you, the boy tell me, say, the way him can't believe him and fuck him, he lie down and skin out and him have to say, Shani, turn around and give me a backers. The way the man near tremble, him can't believe him and fuck him dead brother woman. And what do you little girl? No, sir, me a up top boss. Move on a blood clot, my nice. All you can do a chat behind me, Mr. Baka. Guess what? You can't face me. You can't face me. You can't face me. You can't face me. You can't face Melly cuteness. Yeah. Y'all got me boy past Facebook boy named Mario Louis. I Mario whatever. Boom bang bang. Boom bang bang. When me take a check, here on a man me have a nice to come and me just say, alright, bring him in now. When me look, the boy clean and everything trick her, the boy named Mario. And the boy done fuck her. What did them little girl yeah? Boom bang bang now. She have look honest little boy. What work over Bellevue? Yes. She have a little man over Bellevue. Keep a little man now. You gonna boom bang bang, you gonna fuck the DJ. We both skin sore like dog. Fast I kill him. Alright, that done. Blood clot. Boom bang bang, you hear say she breed. Who is the father? One of us stop give man jacket a modern blood clot time, you know. Jacket now wear a full suit a wear. A what do no? Woman do no man germs? Man chink. Woman do no? Man not tell you see for me and you. My dog come on for the rest of the year. My hide. Me hide your mother come trick you what you about. But when you are going with belly and a China time, you got dash it away. What do you baby killer? You can't stop kill me. You tell me in my face say, I know every day after that shit way. I'ma say, Shanae, mine your dead, you know, girl. Mine your dead. It's sad. You grudge me. Because be a synthetic ear you used to wear. And me make you want buy good things and dress up. And me come allow to my blood clot friend them out. Me not like walk in front of my friend them there, but the whole way for walking a line. Cause me no bad my friend, me a good girl. That's why everybody ever blood clot love me. You go buy a Brazilian, you live in it, you sleep in it, me no know what you doing it. Alright, the madman chop out your backward here, chop off half of the blood clot here. She chop off the man chop off half of the ear. Me say yeah, alright, she go dash it when you. Boom bang bang I eat my Sierra now. I'm not telling you, I bet you we are be a synthetic ear more than one blood clot Brazilian when you done dirt. It not done in dirt. It that my change ear regular and that's a killer no. Me a mad no. But look how white you want my sister bring for me. I'm a nice clean friend. I'm mad no. It's a mad no. Moving a blood clot, my nice. I be me not fuck for no arm. Guess what? That girl ain't a put on joke fuck. And I ask Jesus. Me not put on fuck. I don't know me no ram. Who am me a friend? No me no play. What else? Talk to me nice. Talk to me now. Chat to me now. We know wet your pitney come from school. Wet her go dryer. Rain wet her sun dryer. Talk to me. You can't pay $1,000 for driver carry your baby at school. A driver carry my nice clean daughter at school. See my daughter surf ticket here. Kishela. Rene's Lemonious. Kishela make head news. Ashane don't slide but I favor Batty Cat. Ashane favor Bible and Biggie.
We're supposed to go.
Ashane favor Bible.
Ashane bigger than him.
Ashane bigger than Jelani, so I'm supposed to. Him bigger him for their basic school, him not reach primary level yet. He is a little child. What else? Like and share. What I do to me? Like and share, and Melly cuteness this and run. One me in front run go add because Facebook a keep. Facebook nice and guess what? The road a keep to cause no girl can see Melissa and lick them. And promise me no lick. Me not ask Christ. Cause who not in the war get lick? Cause you know me no play. You know me no ramp. Me no do the chatting. I know that. But from your call me name, you know me have to jump in. You talk about my nice clean black pretty blood clot friend Samuel we got. I look good girl wear girl clothes I wear. So why am I should wear blood clot foreigner clothes? You didn't want them to watch you Mr. Chanel no me can't give Munchie clothes because Munchie hate you. Munchie don't like you. The girl despise you. I ever want the girl clothes and her boot them and what you little girl? You're not no shame. No some sorry for you not no shame in your game. What are you? Anytime I'm blood clot sister fly at first class. Anytime she touch a plane at first class and that's a killing you. Anytime you hear some munch you tremble, you get headache, you don't know where you go dig up. You don't know what you go dig up. You know, I'm draw full of new clothes. Full of new clothes. And what are you? You can't allow Facebook. Every minute you come with a different Facebook drama. Every minute you pass me every day. You can't just walk across the road coming a girl. Because you know Melissa not afraid. You know. A fax me attack. You know Blackberry Shanchan say Melissa not afraid. Boom bang bang. You know what my mascot are them I want to see. My house nice and comfortable. I'm young. I'm not telling nobody go over. My friend's supposed to live with me because my house clean and nice. And she like around here. What else? No chink, no bite up her skin or no chichi.